Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and take care of your skin after applying this type of makeup, full glam. It's really hard when you come from the party at night and you don't want to do anything, but I'm showing you a very easy and effective way how to take care of your skin. So let's get started. So here I'm taking Clinique cleansing balm, just a pea size, applying all over my hands. Oh, so it become oily like that, and rubbing on my face. Always use ring finger to rub your eyes. Now I have a bowl here and I have a towel which I'm going to soak it in water. I forgot to wear these. With a very gentle hand. So this balm almost cleansing everything. It clears everything. But near to your eye area, you need a liquid makeup remover which is specialized for eyes. This is from Sephora Eye Makeup Waterproof one remover. Actually, it's oil based. I'm going to remove my makeup. This liquid eye makeup is based on cornflower extract and it's really very gentle on my eyes. I really like it. This is my second bottle, especially the stubborn mascaras. I hate stubborn mascaras when they are not coming out. I'm up to my deep cleansing, so I'm using Pink Peach Sugar Scrub from Tony Moly. So cute. And now I'm going to keep this for 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll start scrubbing it. While having this one on, made like detox water for myself. It's really hot and I want to keep myself hydrated. So after 15 minutes, I'm start scrubbing. My skin is looking nice and bright. All the dead skins and everything came out and it's really clean. Time to apply a mask, which is a Laya Australian pink clay. waiting for 10-15 minutes again. Australian pink clay mask is for detoxifying and brightening your skin. My mask is already dried up. So how bright this is already looking, and it's all clear deeply. Now I'm using my Lancome Paris lotion for my face, Ultra Glow Serum from Sephora can restore my vitamin C and E on my face. Olay Eyes Under Eye Cream. It says brightening eye cream. It's like tiny. Mecca Cosmetica Face Moisturizer. To lock everything on the place. Smells so nice. Some kind of very divine. So that's how I take care of my skin. Look how glowy, and seals everything on the place and won't damage your skin if you are applying your makeup every day. You just need to follow the skin routine and you're good to go. Bye.